Hello, everyone. Welcome to Restoring the Other 2.0. We're so glad to be here, and we have different expectations. My expectation is I'll know more about worship and be blessed. Vanessa, what's your expectation?
I'm expecting to have a life transforming experience.
Love, what's your expectation?
See the power of worship
Yes. Daniel?
Expect my altar to be restored.
Yes.
Deeper calling to the spirit.
Tabitha? Ruth? Yes, so see you 9 p.m. Yes, clock it. Get your writing materials. We have our books and we have our pens. So see you by 9 p.m. God bless you. Bye. Don't be late. Bye.